RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to increase indoor natural light and make your home feel more spacious. 7 simple and low-budget tips to make your home bigger and brighter. 1. Install larger windows. Choose larger windows or French windows to boost natural light. They could also expand the view. Once the view is expanded, your space seems larger. On the contrary, if the distance between buildings is too close, the view couldn't be expanded. The space looks smaller. 2. Install skylights. If the house is narrow with walls all around, there's no space to install a window and the cell phone reception is poor. Install a skylight in the ceiling can bring a natural light. Besides brightening up indoors, the reception problem is also fixed. 3. Use glass bricks. They could bring light in and possess both translucency and privacy. 4. Use translucent doors. Use translucent doors for bathrooms and balconies. It's like installing larger windows. They could bring natural light in. 5. Use mirrors for decoration. Mirrors can increase light by reflection, thus increase brightness for the space. They can also visually expand the space. Tips. If the mirror is facing the bed, you might scare yourself when waking up. To prevent this situation, instead of a vertical mirror, choose a horizontal one. 6. Opt for light color scheme. Don't use dark colors for walls, floors, and furniture. Use light colors. They can reflect more light and increase brightness. Also visually enlarge the space. 7. Use a wide-angle lens for good property photos. When taking photos of your property, use camera lens with a focal length of 35 mm or shorter. Or add a wide-angle lens to your cell phone camera. By doing so, you could create a space-enlarging perspective effect. Besides, the brightness of the photo is also important. Take bright and spacious property photos to attract tenants. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.